Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to add fingerprint in Samsung Galaxy A17. If you're using A17 and you want to add your fingerprint, so let's see how can you do that. Just open your settings app and settings, just scroll down and look for lock screen option. Just tap on it, then tap on screen lock and biometrics. From here, just select faces or select fingerprints. If you haven't any password, you can easily create your password here. I'm going to select pin and fingerprint, or maybe it might be pattern or fingerprints. Just enter your pattern, and here you must have to select done option, then select continue, then continue again. Once you have that, you just have to put your fingerprint on your fingerprint sensor and complete the process. You just have to keep moving your fingerprint until this shape has been completed. You must have to keep moving your fingerprint and pressing holding it. Just like that, here is up to 88% and on 96, and it's completed. Just have one done. Once you have that, you must have to enable these settings. Now you can easily use your fingerprint for your screen lock here. So that's how you can easily add fingerprint in your Samsung Galaxy A17. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.